Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to disable the news feed, also called discovery feed, on Google app. This is an update for 2026 because Google just changed their interface and we don't have here that three dots. Now to disable this newsfeed, because sometimes it's annoying, you need to tap on the profile icon and here tap on settings, go down and here we have other settings. Tap on it and here is discover. Now to disable it, just tap here and that's all. And if you go back, as you can see, we don't have anymore the discovery newsfeed here. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.